So, tell me your news that you couldn't tell me over the phone because it's obviously bad.
It's not bad. Basically, I was having a great morning. Actually, it's fair. I've had one of the best flights ever. I screwed it up massively, but I had one of the best flights.
Did you crash?
So much fun. You know, what I lack in intelligence, I make up for humour.
Did you crash?
No. What happened was, basically got there and I was doing the cross-country bit. So
By yourself or with Paul?
with a lady, lovely girl.
Oh, sorry, you just picked someone up.
Yeah,
Just
picked them up.
Was it a
Best way. I was
hitchhiker?
at the pub, at the bar. I was like, hey, how are you doing? Anyway, so it all went wrong when they said, right, you plan it and just forget she's in there with you. Yeah, that's where it all went wrong. Because I planned it and I messed it up because I put my lines in the wrong way.
Lines?
Basically, you have your map and then you're going like from... I was meant to start at the M25 junction, but I accidentally did my line from the Elstree, which I wasn't meant to do. And then I just got it all kerfuffled and went wrong. Anyway, so...
you were flying the helicopter,
I was flying.
Not travelling down the M25
So
in a helicopter.
what was meant to be a simple case of, you just look and go, right, okay, you know, need a heading of, I don't know, 279 or whatever ball crap it's going to be. I did that and I was like, she was like, we're going in the right direction. I was like, yeah. Are you sure?
Hold on. Bearing in mind the directions you gave me from Donington on the way home, and we nearly ended up in fuck knows where. Didn't we, Tristan?
Yeah, but that wasn't my fault. I was sat on top.
Okay.
Anyway, so I'm looking at the map. Yeah. Anyway, so we're flying along, and it's like, you sure we're going in the right direction? And I'm like, yeah. No, it's just over that mound. Yeah. Turns out no, it was a different mound, different hill. So ended up going the wrong way. So I managed to get to Princess Risborough, I think it's called. Yeah. Managed to get there with a bit of a great difficulty. Then I was like, right, so set my head in for Silverstone, basically, and started heading towards there. Again, got my math slightly wrong on that one as well. So we ended up being a bit like, basically, what you're meant to do is go like this to there, turn another straight line. Because what happens is on this something called Sky Demon, which is like a sat nav for your helicopter, yeah? It actually does dots of where you've been. So where it's meant to go like that, mine went there, and then got over Leighton Buzzard and I couldn't work out where I was, so I was going like this for a while.
So pretty much.
Then I got all the way, and then you got obviously where you're not allowed to fly. Yeah, you got your restricted areas. Yeah, I did also have a radio called say, do not fly in restricted areas. And I know whether I was probably, on the map, I was that far, which we're talking like 100 feet or whatever. So close to that. So living life on the edge as usual. But yeah, it's just so funny, the dots just going like this, like this.
So what you basically did is a woman shopping going shopping, where they just go around like Tracy does, where she goes around the entire shop and then goes and picks the first thing she looked at.
Yeah, but the other issue is I ended up finding a motorway. But then I think I was over Royston, I was over Royston and whatever motorway's near there, and I was trying to fly around in circles so I could read the big signs on the motorway, see where I was going, but then I couldn't read it. My eyes weren't working. So.
Sometimes I worry about this whole idea of getting you to fly.